village was by the also a member, by science as a chairperson, and so on. Then the syndicate has appointed a national committee in which very prominent people are members. These 10 names, at the most 10 names, that will be forwarded to the Government Act with a request to rank these candidates. The final selection will be communicated to us by post within the week's time. And it was all going on very well. They may not be knowing who has been selected by the other university. And we adopt the index mark system in the final selection. If the number of the national committees put first rank for a particular candidate, we put 10 index marks. If it is the second rank, it is 9 marks and so on. And finally, it is just summed up. You get automatically the most suitable candidate selected by the national committee. I must say that the procedure is flawless, systematic, speedy, highly confidential, and above all, it is inexpensive. So PYLEE was telling me, why don't we patent this procedure for a wider publicity? This year, there were about 38 nominations, valid nominations, from which we selected 5. At that time, the vice chancellor was Academician. These 5 nominations, including Dr. Sebastian, I want to discuss the other names, that went to the National Committee. This year's National Committee members were Vice Chancellor, Dr. Chairman, Justice P.V. Saval, former Judge of the Supreme Court, Mrs. Padma Raman, retired Chief Secretary of Kerala State. The earlier awardees, that is Mr. Dr. Valiyathan, Dr. Rajshekar Pillai, then Dr. Pulakaswamy, former Vice Chancellor of Anna University, Dr. M. Swaminathan, as former Vice Chancellor of the University, Dr. Pulakaswamy was also there, Dr. Valiyathan was there, and Dr. Rajshekar Pillai. I must thank the National Committee, particularly for keeping at the time schedule. All of them responded very positively and sent their final selection in the next week's time. I am happy because the third reason for my happiness is that this is the 6th award. It's a procedure that is coordinated by me. And so far, it turned out very well. And I am happy that this is going to Dr. Sebastian, a former friend of mine, former colleague of mine. I thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. May I invite respectfully Dr. M.V. PYLEE, the founder of this award, to deliver the presidential address.
Our chief guest of the day, Dr. M.S. Valiyathan, esteemed Vice Chancellor of the University, Dr. Amrut, member of the syndicate, Dr. Joy of PROF, our distinguished awardee, Dr. Sebastian, Dr. P.T. Nair, our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Luis, Registrar Dr. Chandra Mohan Kumar, students, ladies and gentlemen. To me, this is a dream come true. Even before I retired from the university, I had decided to establish an endowment in this university. But I was not clear in my mind as to what should be the purpose of the endowment. I discussed this with a number of my friends, my colleagues, and those who are knowledgeable. As a result of that discussion, we came to the idea of instituting an award for a distinguished academician of the night. In fact, it so happened that I was in Delhi, where my old colleague, Professor K.T. Nair also was there. We were both staying in the guest house of the Association of Indian Universities. And in the evening, we both went for an evening walk in the Maulana Azad University campus. And there I told him about this, and I could see how thrilled he was. And when he went back to the guest house, he sat and wrote out a detailed note about the manner in which this is to be handled and all the related aspects of this. And when he came back to Kochi, he met the then Vice Chancellor and told him about it. Dr. Adiyadi was the Vice Chancellor. Dr. Nair told me later, Dr. Adiyadi was somewhat skeptical whether I need to shell out 10 lakhs of rupees for this endowment. In order to remove all doubts, I handed over a check the very next week to the university. The university syndicate, along with the Vice Chancellor, were very enthusiastic. They were very happy about it. And they took all the steps necessary to institute the award. Dr. Nair has just now explained to you the elaborate method which is adopted to make the selection. Well, I think it is a foolproof system, and it is an admirable system. And I would like to pay a tribute to Professor Nair for conducting this in a meticulous manner. There has never been any complaint of any quarter whatsoever. And I hope that as long as he is working in the university, he will be in charge of this very, very difficult task. Now we have had very distinguished persons selected for this award. I am very happy that Dr. Sebastian, Dr. K.L. Sebastian, who holds a distinguished chair in the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, has been chosen this time for this award. Let me congratulate Dr. Sebastian for this great honor. In fact, when I would like to tell him that he is the last link of a distinguished band of scholars and educational administrators who have been selected early. And today, we have in our midst Dr. Vijayata, an upcoming devotion, a national research professor, and a person who has adorned so many important committees and conventions, and who has his reputation not only all over India but far beyond. Here as our chief guest today, Dr. Vijayata, after his retirement from Manipal University as Vice Chancellor, Manipal did not want to lose his services, so they requested him to be there as honorary advisor to the Manipal institutions, and he continues to stay in Manipal. Perhaps people might think why we have not chosen to come to Kerala and say that India is not elected in the third stage, but then he keeps the atmosphere there very good, and I think Manipal has been honored, and that is why he has been appointed as an honorary advisor to the Manipal institutions. So it is a very happy occasion that Vijayata has agreed to come, and he is here, and on my own behalf I would like to extend a warm welcome